What's up, YouTube? Good Trojan here, coming with an opening from Panda Company 001, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, as well, this should be the Bone Crusher and Bacon Saver. Link to the description and stuff will be in the link. Link to his channel and stuff will be in the link below. Flocka. So check out his channel, Trusted Trader. Took a little longer than I expected, but yeah. He's doing regenerating money for the weight, I guess, so that's cool. That's nice of him. So Bone Crusher, Bacon Saver. So check out his channel, Panda Company 001, if I'm not mistaken. So link will be in the description. Good trader. Check him out. Subscribe and stuff.